Jai Guruji. With love and affection, I'm Saurabh Kishan, a student from Dehradun. In these harsh COVID pandemic situation, our lives have come to a halt. How can I utilize my newfound spare time in a more productive manner?
Saurabh ji, no doubt a very meaningful question at the moment. And I want to tell you, an intelligent person manages to turn every adverse situation into an opportunity. No doubt, the present times of the pandemic are very painful, very adverse. However, as a student, you can learn a lot to make the most optimum utilization of your time. You can turn it into an opportunity, a big opportunity. You are careful and cautious about increasing your productivity. And I have to convey one most important message to every student. One should learn what are the most important things for increasing productivity. And my experience says, if you are healthy at physical, mental and emotional level, for the enhancement of your productivity, the most fundamental requirement is you must be physically, mentally and emotionally at your best. Majority of the people and majority of the students are lacking in harmony at the physical, mental and emotional levels. What is most important in this direction? At least 1 hour exercise and 1 hour meditation is most crucial, and it may play a very decisive role in the making of your whole future. If you make exercise and meditation a part of your life and living, your productivity will bounce. And secondly, I want to tell you, you have to prioritize your life. You must identify what are the most important goals of your life. And once you have identified your most important goal of life, you must invest 80% of your time and energy into that goal. And you must always remain conscious that most of your time is utilized and no time is wasted in unnecessary pursuits. This is the third requirement. If you do only this much, I can promise you, Saurabh, you can attain the heights of achievement in your life and career. Thank you.